Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the Edward Siaga Highway and we're heading towards Mammee Bay. We just went through the Golden Grove Toll Plaza and we're going to exit the highway in Mammee Bay. Now this section of the highway is probably the most scenic. You're going to have a beautiful view of the ocean or the sea in a few minutes. And I think the only highway that's going to have a nicer view than the one we're going to see is the Portland Highway. A section of that highway is finished and we drove on it, and wonderful view. So by driving on this leg of the highway, we will cut out Chalky Hill and cut out Stairtown. So this highway was built a few years ago and it has cut the travel time between Kingston and Ocho Rios from an hour and a half to 40 minutes or 45 minutes. It has really made a difference. The only problem is it's a toll road, so you have to pay to use it, but it really cuts down the travel time. And when you have to drive over places like Chalky Hill and drive through Stairtown, you don't have the best of roads to drive on. The roads are narrow, so this highway has really made a difference. If you notice, there are a lot of trucks on the road, and that's because trucks are not allowed to go through Fern Gully. Fern Gully is a protected site. It's basically, it's very, how would you say, it has a lot of plants. I think I said over 400 different types of plants are in Fern Gully. And the trees or the plants are right against the road. At some points they actually form like a ceiling over the road. So trucks, I guess because of the emissions and, you know, exhaust, those kind of things, trucks are not allowed to drive through Fern Gully. So the trucks either have to come on the highway and they will be considered class 3 and pay the highest toll, or they have to go over Chalky Hill. And so sometimes the trucks, because of the time and Chalky Hill is so, the roads are narrow, not the best of roads, they use the highway instead of going that route. But they definitely are not allowed through Fern Gully. And you don't really find truck drivers saying, okay, maybe no police not there, we're going to try and go through. I think I've never seen a truck going through Fern Gully, whether police is on the road or not, so that's actually a good sign. Okay, on the left now is the escape lane. So if you're a truck and you find that you have lost your brakes or something, you can't stop, you will go up that ramp, and there's dirt and those kind of things there that will slow the truck down and prevent you from creating an accident. Now I was reading the other day, or I heard it mentioned on the radio, I don't remember where, but those ramps are not up to standard. Like, they're below the international standard for it. So I think they're going to do some work to remedy that. And believe it or not, trucks have used it. I've been on this road on 2 occasions, and I see once a truck on the ramp, the escape lane, and once I saw a car. So motorists do use it. Okay, here is another one, escape lane 2 kilometers. what's going on with this camera, but it seems to be out of focus. So we're going to stop and see if it will refocus. Very strange. Okay, there we go. It's back in focus now. I'm not sure what happened. Very strange. Alright, so we're back on the highway now. We're going to exit in Mammee Bay. And there, that's the view I was talking about if you look straight ahead. Very scenic. Okay, straight ahead where you see that bridge, that's Chalky Hill. So those, actually that's probably Stair Town, but that road leads you up to Chalky Hill. And that's the alternate to using the highway. That's the road that the trucks have to use instead of because they are not allowed to go through Fern Gully. So that road is part of Chalky Hill, or it leads you up Chalky Hill. Okay, look at this. Those goods in the back are tied down, but I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but they have definitely shifted. And that looks like it has more straps. Okay, the stuff at the back had shifted, but it has more straps on it, so it should be okay. Okay, this is the view I was talking about. Very beautiful. Honestly, it makes you feel like to just go on the beach and have a drink and relax. And that's the north coast of Jamaica. That's the kind of sea or beach that the hotels are on, and that's why they're so popular. The north coast has so many hotels. It actually has more hotels than the south coast. Alright, so we're now going to come up to the exit, and here is the last escape lane before we exit. Now, believe it or not, I've seen on 2 occasions trucks coming off this highway, going around this roundabout and turn over. Unbelievable, you wouldn't believe it. I don't know if they don't realize the speed they're going, or I don't know what it is, but they turn over here. I've seen it on 2 occasions. The truck literally turns over, and of course you know what happens next. Oh yes, once it was a truck carrying crackers, and the people did help themselves. Another time it was a truck carrying clothes, and they did help themselves. Yep, I wouldn't say loot, I don't know if you call it looting or what, but the persons did help themselves. I just assume somebody checked on the driver, but alright guys, so this is now the Mammee Bay area. Alright, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.